Hello everyone, and welcome to the second video of the Exploratory Data Analysis hack series for data science students and data science learners. So if you haven't seen the first video, please go to my channel playlist and just go ahead and watch that video. I'm sure you'll find it useful. So today's hack, we'll be discussing about effective profiling using Pandas data frame, and specifically we'll be using a package. And honestly, I'm a little embarrassed to do this video because this whole video centers around this particular code which you're seeing right here, this df profile underscore report. But trust me guys, I don't think many people know about this because you have to like install this package using anaconda prompt, and people resort to orthodox ways like using the describe, info function, shape, reshape, and whatnot. But I would recommend to learn from those ways, like you start learning from describe, info, and all of that. But if you want a quick EDA report, if you want to save like at least 10 to 50% of your EDA, just follow this. Trust me, it's really gonna help you, and this is so cool, guys. I'm so excited to do this video. So first things first, you need to install the the Pandas profiling package. For that, all you need to do is just need to go to anaconda prompt. If you've installed anaconda navigator or anaconda package, you need to go to anaconda prompt and just run this as administrator, and you'll get this. And I've already installed it. I'm just gonna tell you how to do it. You just need to type pip install pandas profiling and just installs all the packages, downloads and installs all the packages within a minute or so. So after you've done that, you can use the package. So to give you a quick comparison, let me just run this code. Just give me a minute. Right. So I'm using the car sales.csv dataset. You can use any dataset which you want, and as you can see, to do some basic summary statistics, I can use the describe function, and to get a this gives me like count mean of all the like standard deviation, the 50% 50 percentile value, 25 percentile value, the interquartile, and whatnot, so many things. But the thing is, this is just a very basic overview, right? And even the info function gives a very basic overview. But there's a function called profile underscore report, and this is such a cool function, guys. It's gonna generate an entire report, and that is so easily understandable and easily interpretable. I'm just going to show you, let me just explain this code first. This is the code which you're using to generate that report, and then what I'm doing is I'm just trying to export that report in form of a HTML file to make you guys understand better. You can just see this report here. Just hold your horses. I'm gonna show you how cool this report is. So this is the code which I'm using. I'm just objectifying the profile generation code to an object called profile, and I'm exporting that object to into a HTML document. So this is the keyword which we'll be using, output, and like .to file, and then inside we have to use output underscore file. I'll put all the codes in the description. You don't have to worry about that. It's very understandable code. So it's generating the report, and this is the end result. This is so cool. So this is the end result, and you have all of this statistics right here. If you have basic understanding of statistics, which you should do as a data science learner, you have all these variables. Like it tells you this is the categorical variable. It gives you a whole overview, like you have how many percentage of missing values are there, the missing number of cells, the number of observations, the total size, and all of this is so cool. And not only that, it gives you correlations, it gives you the heat maps, it gives you the count of missing values. And this is something that you would do when you're interning in a company, or when just starting out in a company as a trainee. But you can do this as a student, and your whole EDA process becomes 50% easier, right? So next time, if you're when you're doing an EDA, make sure you follow this technique. I'll be posting the entire code in my description. You can just go through it. But one thing which I would like to tell you, try learning from the orthodox ways. Like always use always understand what describe function does, what info does, what shape does, and what there are many functions which you can use, because sometimes the data set is not so simple, right? So always learn like this. But if you're looking to quickly do your EDA, this particular function is pretty cool. Okay, that's what makes this function a hack. All right, this is what makes it a hack. So it's so cool, guys, and just seeing this report, it's so beautiful. I mean, as a data scientist, you would love to generate a report like this. So I think that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be posting the documentation in the description as well. You can just go ahead and check it out. It's just the official documentation. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And do like and subscribe to my channel. It'll give me motivation to do more videos. So until next time, hopefully see